How to add bots in Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can add bots in Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have your own Discord server and then you want to add a bot, now I have my own server and recently I just added an AI generating image or this bot over here. And to add any one of these bots, such as what kind of bots you want, it's very simple, because all you have to do is simply open up a browser and then just go to top.gg, which is one of the most popular sites where you can simply add bots to your Discord server. I'll make sure to drop a link below as well. So once you go to that specific web page, here you'll be able to see millions of Discord bots and servers, and basically what you want to do is you can simply go ahead and then actually add any type of bot that you want over here. So just go to that bot page over here. Once you go to the bots page over here, you'll be able to find the invite button. So you want to make sure to click the invite option here. Once you click on invite option, here you'll be able to see all this. You have to make sure to select a correct server over here and then just click the continue button. Over here you'll be able to see all the green announced bots and so on. So after this, what you want to do is click on the authorize button here. Once you click on authorize button, make sure to verify the captcha, and then after you've done this, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then basically add these bots to your server. If you come back to this page, you'll be able to see all of the commands that you can use to try out this bot and so on. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add bots to your Discord server. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.